Hello and congratulations on taking the first step that is yet to grow your business to a height you've never seen. And most importantly, welcome. If you're watching this, I assume that you are a small business owner or a service provider, someone who's good at what they do. They've had some clients and they've made some money and they have a vision to grow. But lately, it feels like you're stuck doing everything yourself. You are replying to messages, updating appointments, updating clients, sending code, posting to social media while still doing the actual work that actually makes you money. It's like you're no longer running a business anymore. It's like you're just surviving a daily admin war. And if you've ever thought to yourself, I just want more bookings without having to chase each and every single one of my clients, or, I'm tired of forgetting to follow up, of missing out on deals and feeling like you're left behind, then I want you to know that you're not crazy, you're not lazy, and you're not disorganized. You've just never been showed a better system. And that is what this free mini course is. It's not some fluffy motivational thing or a 10-hour course that is going to teach you a bunch of things that you're never even going to implement in your business. It's a simple and clear game plan for real business. This is for the nail techs, this is for the plumbers, the electricians, the car guys, the mechanics, the panel beaters, the auto repairs. This is for people like you. You are going to learn a system which I call the small business framework, which is just a way to structure your business so that it works even when you don't. You are going to learn why most small business owners feel stuck and overwhelmed and why it's not your fault. You are going to learn the three biggest bottlenecks that are holding you back in your business from growing. You are going to learn a smart business framework that helps you attract, manage, and convert leads with very little to no effort. You're also going to learn how a tool called Gomza AI makes all of this work on autopilot. By the end of this free training, you are either going to walk away with a clear game plan of how you're going to grow your business your way, or you'll just say, you know what, this Gomza AI thing makes things 10 times easier. So just take that and implement that on my business. Either way, you are going to walk away with a clear game plan with clarity, essentially. And to be honest, that in and of itself is a win. So without wasting any more time, let's hop on to the next module, which I think will shift the way you think about your business. So I'll see you on the next one. Danko.